I've been testing both designrr and Canva recently, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest take on which platform is better for your design needs in 2025. If you're stuck between these two, keep watching to find out which one suits you best. So what is designrr? Designrr is a design tool focused on helping you create ebooks, PDFs, and other content-heavy documents. It's known for its professional templates and easy-to-use editor that makes it simple to create digital products without needing a graphic design background. What I like about designrr: great for ebooks and PDFs. Designrr shines when you need to create books, guides, and reports. Tons of templates specifically tailored for digital products, which can save you a lot of time. You can easily import content from Word docs, which is super handy when working with written content. Now let's talk about Canva. Canva is a super popular design tool that lets you create everything from social media posts to presentations and even videos. It's perfect for quick designs and offers a wide variety of templates for almost any design need. What I like about Canva: it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're creating posts for social media or designing presentations, it's got you covered. Easy drag-and-drop functionality makes it beginner-friendly for anyone who's new to design. A ton of templates to choose from, so you're never short on ideas. So what's the difference? Designrr is more specialized for creating digital content like ebooks, PDFs, and reports. Canva is better if you want a one-stop shop for all your design needs, from graphics to marketing materials to videos. It's great for quick designs, but it might not be as advanced as designrr for document-heavy content. So, which one is better for you? If you're primarily creating ebooks, PDFs, or digital guides, designrr is the better choice with its specialized tools and templates. But if you need a versatile design tool for all kinds of projects, whether social media posts, presentations, or anything else, then Canva is your go-to. If this review helped, hit that heart icon for a super thanks. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest and straightforward reviews. See you in the next one.